Want to share your Wi-Fi through Hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy A56? Here's how in a few seconds. Go to Settings. Tap on Connections. Tap on Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap on Mobile Hotspot. Tap on Password. Tap on Back button. Tap on Advanced. Scroll down and enable Wi-Fi sharing. Tap on OK. Tap on Save. Now go back, and you'll see under Mobile Hotspot it says Sharing Internet from Wi-Fi. That means it's working. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy A56 is now sharing Wi-Fi through Hotspot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips.